Hi dealer developers! As we step into the future, the adoption of EVs is accelerating faster than ever. Today's condominium buyers are already seeking properties with EV charging facilities. But have you thought about what buyers will expect 3 to 5 years from now? The game is changing. Future condo owners won't just want shared parking stations, they'll demand private EV charging bays right at their car park spots. Imagine offering them the convenience of charging their EVs anytime with no queues, no hassle of moving cars after charging, and at a much lower rate than public charging stations. At ChargeSini, we're here to make this vision a reality. Our AI and ESS systems can reduce your total electrical load by up to 75%, cutting down on costly power upgrades and compliance charges. Plus, we help you create a greener, high-demand property that stands out in the market. Be the leader in sustainable living. Partner with ChargeSini today and future-proof your developments.